The class, we still want to continue our class on ecology by examining these JAMB question on the board. It said in agricultural ecosystem, at JAMB 1986 question 43, in agricultural ecosystem, the biotic component consists of A. Crops, pests, and beneficial insects. B. Crops, temperature and humidity. C. Pests, beneficial insect and water. D. Crops, water, and soil. So the key word here is biotic component of the ecosystem. Biotic component of the ecosystem means the living organism in the ecosystem. Another part to this question is abiotic. See, we have biotic and abiotic. Biotic component of the ecosystem means living organism in the ecosystem, and they are the crop, pests, insect, and so on and so forth. Why abiotic? Because some we say abiotic means the non-living organism in the ecosystem, and they mean temperature, humidity, and so on and so forth. So when we examine this question, we have the only option here, crop, pests, and beneficial insect is the only biotic component in this ecosystem, while others, crop, water, and soil. Water is not biotic. Pest, beneficial insect, and water is not. And we have crop, temperature, and humidity. Temperature and humidity is not. We have crops, pest, and beneficial insect are the only abiotic component in the ecosystem. See you in my next video. Bye.